Gantry cutting table. It is the most common in the market. It has a double motorized gantry, one at each side, and one or more cutting or marking heads. At the top, CNC completely. We have a wide variety of them. They are custom-made, quoted considering the following factors: C width required, C length required, C material to be cut, C thickness to be cut, C plasma or XY cut required, C number of torches. We have Hypertherm or promotion controllers, Gelberg, thermodynamics or Hypertherm plasma cutting systems for thickness from up to 6 inches. We can also install strip and cutting machines for beams in the back of up to 20 simultaneous torches. All our gantries are made by company with over 20 years of experience in the market, and we also offer technical support. We have several accessories such as water tables, smoke recovery systems, advanced nesting programs, etc. CNC plasma cutting tables. These machines that use numerically controlled or computerized numerically controlled technology, combined with a table and a plasma cutting torch to cut metal, aluminum and other materials quickly and precisely into almost any shapes desired, using coordinates supplied by the computer. A plasma torch positions itself over the table and cuts shapes defined by the parameters supplied by the computer. This is typically set up using a cut file of some sort. The plasma cutting process is used to cut steel of different thicknesses using a plasma torch. In this process, an inert gas is exhausted at high speed out of the small nozzle, while an electrical arc is formed through that gas from the nozzle to the surface being cut, turning much of that gas to plasma. The plasma is hot enough to melt the metal being cut and moves fast enough to blow molten metal away from the cut. CNC plasma cutting tables. The BDLM is a robust CNC gantry designed for plasma and oxy-fuel cutting out heavy plate steel, stainless steel, or aluminum. Every part of this machine is overbuilt with the heavy-duty reliability you'd expect from, and there is no skimping on features. With the industry's best digital AC drives, the ultra-reliable CNC plasma packages up to 360 amps, and oxy-fuel cutting up to 6-inch thick. The BDLM delivers big machine performance at a small machine price. BDLM, versatile oxy-fuel and plasma cutting. The machine consists of a solid, reinforced box beam. This ensures perfect stiffness over the entire machine width. The axes drives feature digital AC drive amplifiers with AC brushless motors and precision gearboxes, yielding high cutting speeds and superb accuracy throughout the entire cutting area. Precision drive racks and ways mount directly to machine surfaces. And triple machine T-rails give smooth and accurate motion. This rugged design and built-in quality reduces maintenance and ensures a long service life. 2 tool carriages are attached to a stainless steel band which transfers motion to the follower carriage. A quick action